Task Manager, which is used on Windows, is used for looking at the processes on the system, and the load of the system is my CPU usage high or low. On Linux, we have the utility htop to inspect the processes. Here we can quickly see the number of processes, and often the thing you're looking at to begin with is the load average. So this system is under high load at the moment because I'm recording this video. This is similar to 100%, 175% CPU usage, and it's given in the last 5, 10 and 15 minutes. The htop tool is available on every Linux system, to my knowledge, installed by default, because I think it's part of GNU standard tools. Another tool is htop, and that gives you, some say, a bit of a more user-friendly interface. And for example, we can view the process hierarchy. So a nice thing to do is to sort the processes by their process ID. So I'm doing F6, and now I'm saying please sort by, you can say, CPU usage. But let's sort again by process ID. Process ID 1 is always the first process on the system. When your system boots, PID 1 is the beginning, and you'll notice here we're using the init system on this operating system. And this hierarchy view really shows how you can, for example, kill a process, and if you kill the parent process, all of its child processes will get killed as well. So for example, I'm going to search for Redis on this host, and try searching again. There we go. So you can see here towards the bottom we've got a Redis server running, and it has 3, maybe 2 child processes. Yeah, 3 child processes. Now we can kill individual processes by pressing K. So I'm pressing K on this and doing a force kill, which is the sigkill 9, which is a dangerous one to do if you've got programs which don't flush their memory to disk, for example. So I'm going to kill that process, and because I did not kill the parent process, the remaining processes stay the same. So I'm going to search again for Redis. And this time, instead of killing a child process, I'm going to kill the parent process. Take a look at the process number, which ends in 968. So I'm going to kill the Redis server, and I'm going to sigterm 9. Okay. And that caused the parent process and all of its children to be killed as well. So I like this hierarchical view because it shows the process hierarchy system, and how the parent process, if that dies, that all the child processes die as well.